Hi everyone and welcome back. This is going to be part 2 where we are going to be fitting the windows and skylights in the van. Also, I just thought it might be better if you knew a bit more about our background. Myself, my first job was a mechanic, which I did for 4 years, and then I went on to engineering, which I did for quite a long time. As a welder fabricator, and then I just basically got into building work, plant hire, that sort of thing, and I've been doing that for a very long time. Built lots of houses, especially here in France, so my skill base is pretty wide, I think, and the reason why we're now doing vans is 3 years ago I had an accident. I fell out of a tree and broke 4 ribs and torn tendons, but that all repairs itself. But unfortunately I also developed a problem where it damages my nerves, so I get pain in my feet and my hands. So I now find it very difficult to do manual work, if you like, for a long period of time. So just thought you'd need to know a bit about us. Also Lewis, he, after school, he went into college for 2 years and learned carpentry. And then from there he got a job actually converting vans for a company, and did that for a while. So that's Lewis's background, so his knowledge will come in handy. And my wife Nikki, she's very good at making the tea. Okay, window time. Right, I'm gonna drill a big hole in each corner and then roughly cut it out with a jigsaw or sabre saw, and then that gives us nice access so we can see what we're doing to follow this line all the way around. First of all, got to mark off the holes.
That's better.
That's better. Right then, now I can go around with the jigsaw, do a final cut from the outside in, and then I can see where I'm going then. Right, and now I can see where I'm going, and just follow that inner lip. We had a little bit of a problem because inside here, between the 2 panels, the glue that they bond the panels together was in the way because it come up too high. So we had to grind it out all the way around. That's why it looks a bit of a fluffy mess at the moment. And then we had to go around with the rubber hammer and just gently
tap that in a little bit because the rubber that we've got is quite narrow and it won't fit on properly. If it's wide, you can get a wider one, but we haven't got that one, so we've had to do this. Just put a few coats of primer on the edges just to protect it, and then once that's dry, we'll just put a white coat, just cover it all up. I know you're not going to see it, but just in case you can see in the gaps, I'll just put a white coat over it. Job's good. Right, now the paint's dried, nice and lovely dry, we've got to put the rubber seal on and just push it on, work your way along, and then once you've got it on, just go along with the hammer, just gently tap it down, like so. Right, I'm just going to cut this. You have to use a pair of tin snips because it's got metal on it. Lift it up, make sure it's tight fit. Lovely. There, that's that done. Okay guys, I got mine glass from VGC, and as you can see like that, there's all the glass itself, the delivery, and the kit and the rubbers. It's all there, and that come to 254.15. Now we're gonna have to give her a clean. Just clean down all around the edges. No point doing in the middle because it's not going to get dirty again. Just do the important bits. Like so, window cleaner. Right, so we've marked it all now, all the way around, so we know where the edge is. Then we'll just go around with the wipe, the alcohol wipe, and a good old clean. Next, we're going to put the body paint on it, or body primer. It helps bond to the glass and the van. Primer's all dried now, so I'm going to start with the silicone, or the adhesive. Right, next job, skylight. Got to cut a hole 400 by 400 to fit this in. Yeah, let's get started. So what we've done, put plenty of silicone around, and then let it just sit for a little while, and then sprayed it with some water and washing up liquid, and then you can just gently smooth it off with your hand to get a nice smooth finish. The previous owner bought the van from, as I said before, started it. He started doing the floor, but it's not all sealed off, taped up. So that's the next job. Take these boards out, take the other boards off. He's done 2 layers, and then tape it up. Okay, well that's all that done, all taped down. Quite surprised actually, used nearly two rolls of this. I wouldn't thought we'd use that much. But yeah, I'm pleased with that.
Right, well, thanks for watching. Our next episode we will be tackling the insulation in the walls and the first fix electrics. You might have already seen some little preview on our Instagram account, which will be up on the screen now. So yeah, thanks very much. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers, see you next one.